Don't give up. Today, I will tell you a short story about teenager girl who has 15 years old that her life had changed 360 degrees since that time. First thing I want to show you some important adjective about her, and I am going to talk about the plot twist that she lives. I will tell you what happened to her when she goes to a high school and what Mary will do to solve the situation. That girl called Mary, she is from America. But she was a Muslim girl and lived with her small family. She had a good grades at school, and all of teachers loved her because she was a respectful and a good student. She had two friends that are Christian, but there was no problem because these three girls had been friends since childhood. They went to the same school every years. But the year that Mary reached the age of 15, everything changed. Mary became an adult, so she must wear hijab. She didn't like it at the first time, but gradually she started to see that she is beautiful with it. And unfortunately, her friends would not come with her to the same school. And now, Mary would go to a new school without her friends. That made her feel depressed, but her parents gave her confidence to go to the high school, and she would make new friends. But there was always be problem with Mary. She always thought, what if students resisted her because of her hijab? That piont was always on Mary's mind. Now it's time to go to high school. It was the first day for Mary. She was anxious and stressed, but she tried to hide those feelings. Her parents took her to high school by car. When Mary arrived at school, everyone looked at her strangely. It was because of her hijab. Most of the students were Christian, but fortunately there were 5 Muslim girls. Mary heard some students talking badly about her because she was Muslim. And sadly, what Mary was afraid of happened. She was bullied by everyone because she was different. The bullying got worse, day after day. Mary lost her confidence. She became a different person, quiet, depressed, and isolated from everyone. One day, as usual, some students bullied Mary, but suddenly the 5 Muslim girls came and protected her. After that, they became friends. Day by day, their friendship grew stronger. They decided to do something, to change the wrong image people had about Muslims. Most of the students thought Muslims were terrorists and bad people. At first, it was hard. But little by little, those students became kind and respectful. Over time, the 6 girls helped change how the students saw Muslim people. And in the end, 3 of those students became Muslims. At the end, I want to tell you something. It's okay to be different. You are special in your own way, and you can influence people if your ideas are strong and your heart is honest. But to do that, you must never give up. And this is my advice to you. Do not give up, no matter what.